Okay, here's an update on how everything is doing. It's outside. Today is May the 5th, and we're less than 2 weeks out from planting day. Of course, the peppers are looking pretty scary. They look definitely looking kind of rough. They're all sitting out here, but everything else looks pretty good. I'm a little nervous about this. I'm not sure what this is. I got some bright yellow spots on this guy. He's the only one that I see with it, so I don't know. We did have some other yellowing. I had to refertilize because it had been over a week, just over a week, and they're like at the point where they need a lot of extra nutrients, I guess. So yeah, so we lost some leaves to stuff like that, but everything else is looking pretty good. These guys, of course, they stay small when they're in these little trays here. They don't look super great because they all flopped over, but I think I can bury them up to their stalks a little bit. The broccoli seemed to do a lot better. It didn't stretch and fall over as easily as the kale, but I think it'll be fine. I need to trim the onions again. The celery is filling out. Those are the last started peppers, so we got like the red bells and stuff in there. And I think there was a cup or two maybe of the California Wonder that didn't take. I'd have to go back and look because I don't remember now why those ones are smaller. But for the most part, they look really good. They're really tall. Like I said, we're about 2 weeks out from planting. Well, our last official frost date is supposed to be the 17th. Now this whole coming week, it's supposed to be frost-free. There's one night, I think tomorrow night, is going to get down to 40. So we're not there yet, but I am thinking about starting to plant some of these like brassicas and lettuce as soon as we get that put together. This grass needs to be cut. It's so long back here. But I have to go. I've got to plug in the battery for the tractor, and I got to get some gas. So we don't have any way to mow because we went and checked today. We're like, oh shoot, everything's like bone dry. So I have to do that. Hopefully everything will be okay. Usually I keep gas in it over winter, and I didn't realize it was that empty. So that's just kind of my bad. Hopefully everything's fine. But yeah, so that's just the update. You can see how this one is he's kind of a little bit of a weirdo. He's bent oddly. I think it's from, how they get kind of stuck together and they get pulled to one side or the other, and then they grow, and then they get moved around, and then they're pulled a different way. So I don't know. We'll see. Also, I'm not sure what's causing a couple of these to have what looks like leaf burn. It could be maybe they were hidden from the sun, and we brought them out here like, I don't know, 2 days ago. It was a nice sunny day, and so they got to be outside again for about an hour. Maybe it got burned then. Not sure. But yeah, poor peppers. They need to be in the ground quickly. And like I said, it didn't help. I let them fruit all winter, selfishly, because I just wanted some peppers. And I don't know if this guy's got a pepper on him. So, okay, see you next time.